In the previous tutorial, /post/Rust tutorial error handling advanced / we learned advanced error handling. Now we learn Serde, the serialization framework that powers most data handling in Rust. Let's break it down. Basic serialize and deserialize serialization, Rust to JSON deserialization, JSON to Rust round-trip test. Always verify that your types survive a serialize-deserialize cycle. Serde attributes let you customize how fields are serialized and deserialized. They are the most powerful part of Serde. Rename. Change field names when JSON uses different naming conventions than Rust. The Rust code uses snake_case, but the JSON uses camel case. Enum serialization. Serde supports 4 enum representations. Choosing the right one matters for API design. Externally tagged, default, produces text: hello or number. 42. Internally tagged produces type: circle, radius. 5.0. This is the most common format for APIs. Dynamic JSON with Serde_JSON. Value. Sometimes you do not know the JSON structure at compile time. Use Serde_JSON. Value. The JSON. Macro creates Serde_JSON. Value from JSON-like syntax. Working with toml is common for configuration files. It works the same way as JSON. Serialize to TOML output. Parse from TOML, converting between formats, since Serde uses the same traits for all formats. Conversion is simple. Deserialize from one format. Serialize to another. Handling errors. Serde returns descriptive errors when deserialization fails. To reject extra fields, use Serde, deny _known_ fields. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Forgetting the derive feature. Mistake 2. Using unwrap. In production. Mistake 3. Not using skip_serializing_if for option.